alcohol is the only drug that you have to justify why you're not taking it instead of justifying why you do. You would not see this with any other drug, correct? And it's no secret that a relationship exists between alcohol and the construction industry. But I'm curious, would you say that that needle is moving in terms of the prevalence of alcohol within the construction industry? Show of hands if you would say that you feel like this culture is shifting. Okay, so that's a positive. You're all familiar with my friend Cal here. Now, yes. Cal and I had a conversation. Our first conversation was back in June, last June. And Cal shared with me that he was sober for 303 days at that time. 303 days. And I thought, you know, it says a lot when you know the exact number. That has meaning. And how many days is it today, Cal?
558.
558. A big round of applause for Cal. It's significant because that's leading by example, and I'm curious, are there others in this room who are leading a life of sobriety or recovery? And if so, if you'd just be willing to stand. Oh, okay, couple of hands. If you raise your hand and stand, take a look around. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Woo! Wow, thank you, thank you. Much respect. Again, leading by example. I can't tell you how many years I swore I was the only one with certain thoughts or the only one struggling with certain behaviors. And it helps when you can see that there are others who hold the roadmap. Think about where you want to go and find those people because they have the answers. You got to do the work, but they have the answers. Thank you for covering out loud.